Welcome to my channel, everybody. Thank you for subscribing, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to get started with your Koder code editor, and this is an editor that you can use on your iPhone. For Android you use your Trap Edit, for your PC you use your VSC, Visual Code Editor. So in this video I'll be showing you how to get started with Koder code editor. So the first thing is to download it from your Apple Store. Go to your Apple Play Store and download Koder code editor. So the first thing is to click on the app. This is it here. That's symbolized with S or N. Click on it. So the first thing, when you open it, you will not see these files here. It is because I've created these folders. That's why you're seeing it. So the first thing you will see is this blank space. So we have to create a folder first. Click on the plus icon at the bottom left. So click on the plus. Okay, so after clicking on the plus, you have options like new folder, new file, photos import, and the rest. We are interested in new folder. Click on new folder. So what should be the folder name? I want to create this folder as HTML 2024. That's the name of the folder. So after that, click on create at the top right hand side, at the top here. You will see cancel new folder, you see create. So click on create at the top. So as you can see, these are the folders I've created before, and the one I just created now is called HTML 2024. So click on HTML 2024. When you click on it, so you have a window like this. You can see that it's showing there is no file or folder. So it's showing that click on the bottom bar to create the new one /photos import /other apps file. So let's go back to it. So go to HTML 2024. So this is where we were. So click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. So click on it. So you have this option again to create new folder, new file. So we are interested in a new file. So we want to create a file. Okay, so let me go back to it again. I want to create a file, right? So click on the bottom left side. You can see this plus here, this plus. Click on the plus. Okay, so we want to create a new file. Click on the second option, which is a new file. Click on it. So what do you want to save the file name as? So let's say intro. That will be the name. So to end it, you put .html. HTML there means is the file, the type of file you're trying to create. You are creating an HTML file, so you must save it with .html. That is the file extension. If it's CSS, you create it as .css, but this is HTML, so you click .html. So if you want to change the name as introduction, you can write introduction.html. But in this video, we want to save this file name as intro. So that is intro.html. So after that, click on create. So now this is the file we have created. The name is intro.html. As you can see in the body of the file, you can see HTML there. So to start coding, click on the intro.html. Click on it. So after clicking on it, you have this window, this folder. So the first thing we have to do is to have the HTML document, the basic document, which will start with the doc type, the HTML language, the head, and the body. So these are the things that are comprised in the HTML skeleton or the body. The HTML basic documents. These are the things that must be present in your HTML for you to do any coding at all. So to avoid typing, I've typed them before, so I'll just paste it here. So what you have to do is to type it, what is here exactly. So you start with the less than sign followed by exclamation mark for this doc type. So the first thing is to type the less than sign followed by the exclamation mark, then type this doc type. The next thing is HTML, just the way I've typed it. So the next line you write HTML language, then put this one in English, put en in apostrophe or quotation. So followed by the head. After that you have your meta, chassis, UTF-8. So this is just the basic HTML document. You have to type it as it is. Do you understand? So whatever that has opening must have a close. So like this head now. Let me show you. So you can see this head. So this head actually has, this is the opening head. So to know the closing is the one that has slash. As you can see, it has slash. So for the body now, look at the body. So the body has opening. So to know the closing of the body is the one that has slash. As you can see, slash. So HTML has closing too. As you can see, HTML is opened here. Then to know the closing is the one that has slash. So whatever tag that has opening should have closing, except for some. So as you can see, we started with doc type. It does not have closing. It does not have closing. So HTML has its closing. We did it. Head has its closing. We did it. Then the body too has its closing. So now for us to code, we have to put our coding in the body of the work. So click on this body. Are you seeing? So in between this opening body and this closing body, this is where we'll put all our work. So let's just type H1. So click on the opening tag, click on the less than sign. So write H1 in between, H1, which signifies header 1. So you have to close the tag to a less than sign, then your tag to signify closing. This one slash, that slash to the left. So write H1 also. So in between the H1, this is what you write. We want to write something that is called header 1. So this header, we have header 1 to 6. So H1 is the one that is bigger, is the biggest of all the headers, of all the headings rather. So let's write something like hello world. So I want to write hello world on my web page. Hello world. So this is what I want to write on my web page. So we want to see if it will display. Don't forget, type the basic document as it is. Then in the body of the work, you just write your header 1 or your paragraph, whatever it is you want to write. But in this video, we're writing H1. So after that, click on this this is your keyboard. You can see the keyboard by the right hand side. After clicking on it, so you can, at the top side, you can see the icon of eye. You can see the icon of a rectangle with an arrow pointing up. So that one is to save. The rectangle with an arrow pointing up is save. So click on save. Then after that, for you to view your work, you can go to click on the eye icon at the top. Click on it. So as you can see, this is the result of our work. I'm zooming in for us to see better. So this is hello world. Okay. So having done that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. So if you find this video engaging, if you find it educating, Please do not forget to subscribe and watch other videos to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. If you have any issue on any area in this video, please comment and I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you very much.